Hi there, I'm Darcy, Esterle, Sales Associate with American Legend Homes, and I'm so excited to welcome you to the beautiful community of Sterling Ranch here in Colorado Springs. This is more than just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. At American Legend Homes, we offer thoughtfully designed award-winning homes built with you in mind. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy one-story ranch or a spacious two-story, we've got options ranging from 1,955 to over 2,500 square feet right here on 40-foot wide home sites, some with incredible mountain views. Our homes are built for the way you live. Need an extra bedroom? Want a gourmet kitchen? Looking for that perfect blend of comfort and style? You can personalize your home to fit exactly how you live. Sterling Ranch is located just off Vollmer Rd, north of East Woodmen, so you're just minutes from shopping, dining, entertainment, and all of the outdoor adventures Colorado Springs has to offer. Families here benefit from being in the award-winning District 20 school system. I'd love to personally invite you to come visit us and see everything Sterling Ranch has to offer. Whether you're just starting your search or ready to find your forever home, we're here to help make that dream a reality. You can learn more and explore all our floor plans at amlegendhomes.com, or better yet, stop by and say hello. I can't wait to meet you. American Legend Homes, built for the way you live.